Alright, today I'm going to show you how to clean your microwave by using nothing more than Windex. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by spraying the exterior of the microwave. Just a couple of sprays. Alright, I'm going to spray that. And the point of doing the spraying at first is to let that soak. And while that's soaking, I'm just going to open up the microwave. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the interior. I'm just going to take the Windex and spray the interior just like that, and then the door as well too. And I'm going to let that soak, and while that's soaking, I'm going to go ahead and shut the door, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the outside. Just take a cloth or a paper towel and just circular motion, just go across the microwave like this, and it comes clean like magic. Now, it may look like there's some streaks, but as soon as that dries, those streaks are going to fade away and you're going to have a shiny microwave, all right? And so, like, I did that, and then while the inside was soaking, all right, I'm just going to come here, I'm going to clean the inside of the door, and then I'm going to also clean the tray, and then I'm going to get all edges just like this to make sure it's nice and clean. Just like that. All right. That's how you clean a microwave. Let me know if you have any questions.